everyone, this is a trader investor for my second video for this morning. I did an AMC one earlier, so please take a look at that. And so now looking at the broader market, yesterday I mentioned how when we're not really pushing up and we're pushing down, there's really no entries because there are some headwinds along the way. Yes, price pushed down significantly from the 50-minute range low to the low of the day, $2.21. However, for me, there was a lot of headwinds before I could participate. So the best entry would have been, if market wanted to give it to me, was a break of these lows and then a retest to VWAP, and then I would have this $1 entry. So no participation for me there. So I skipped that trade completely. It's okay for me not to participate in any trades. I don't have to place a trade every day because I don't want to force them. I have seen them not work so many times. The one time it works, I don't want to tell myself, oh, I should have been in. No, it does not fit my strategy. It does not fit my criteria. I don't participate. And to the upside, I was not in a position to monitor any trades to the upside. So I only saw this downside and did not complete the rest of the day monitoring. So no entries for me. Qs, same thing. When the 15-minute range broke, there were some headwinds, the high of the previous day and so on. So I just want to come back to today. That's the real focus. But the reason why I was showing you that is something similar. We're having almost an inside day so far in the SPY, right? Because we are near the high of yesterday. Our 15-minute range high and high of yesterday was the same, and today's 15-minute range high and high of today is still almost the same as yesterday. And the 15-minute range low of yesterday and today almost very similar, almost very similar size. It's today's bar is 76 cents. Yesterday's bar was 65 cents. So very similar bars. Therefore, for me, like almost an inside day, I don't have any entry. Now, where this is going to change and get interesting is if price breaks out of the 15-minute range high, then we're off to the races because there's no headwind for me to the upside. So that's how I'm looking at SPY for an entry. To the downside, I have a lot of headwind. The swing lows here, the lows of the previous day, the lows of yesterday, these are all headwinds for me. So I need to see some clear indication for me to participate. In the Qs, an inside day. Similar, right? On an inside day, I don't participate. I need to see a clear indication that we have broken out of yesterday's close to retest maybe 15-minute range. Then I can target that dollar move to the yesterday's low. But then we have also last week's high that I marked here that could act as resistance. So what would be nice for us to have a retest and entry is if price actually not only pushes below the close, below this swings, but below this. If price breaks all of this and then gives me a retest somewhere to VWAP to 15-minute range low, then I can target this dollar move. So that's my expectation. To the upside, plenty of room to play to the upside, right? Plenty of room with very little to worry about to the upside. So we have yet to see what kind of day we're having, yet to be seen. So we will continue to monitor accordingly. IWM, it's that swing position targeting the order block. We hit the order block. So I don't have any new entry yet. Because sometimes this order block could be filled completely and price collapses, or it just continues. So I'm not in a hurry to enter a new position because the top of this order block is my headwind. To the downside, lots of headwinds. So IWM is one that I will probably not even monitor the rest of today. unless I see some big, like $2-3 move to the upside that I can participate in after a retest. Diamonds, an inside day, similar story, inside day, but in the diamonds, the one important thing to note is if we break the high of yesterday, we have a dollar move to the 15-minute range low of Monday, right? About a dollar move. Therefore, I'm going to participate. Now, what does that mean? A break. So I don't want to break right away. Is I want to see a break and a small retest. It doesn't matter how shallow that pullback is. I just want to have us close to the high of yesterday entry, so I can have this dollar move. So that's what I'm going to target in the diamonds. So this is how we're going to play out all 4 of our ETFs. This is how we're going to monitor our trades and just participate heavily. And I will keep monitoring AMC because AMC has a gap down day, and I want to see some weakness because I'm excited for price to continue to drive down. That's what I'm expecting. So I'm going to keep monitoring AMC, but I think the biggest opportunity for me today is probably in the diamonds. I will very likely not monitor IWM, but diamonds and then Qs and SPYs to the upside. All right, everyone. I'm going to come back later on today and do analysis on how the day went and do another video on AMC, what my expectations are and how AMC went. So we're going to do both of those. But in the meantime, just stay green, stay positive, monitor your trades, watch what you're doing. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me those questions. The most important part is that we keep learning and growing together. All right, everyone, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.